ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ
మెసేజ్ పెట్టారు మళ్ళీ
ఏంటి
టైం టేబుల్ మార్చారు. ఏం చూస్తున్నారు సార్ మీరు?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు కాదు సార్, మీ ఎంత సీనియర్ అయినా ఇప్పుడు మీ అంత ప్రాంప్ట్ గా అందరూ ఉండాలంటే కష్టం అండి. ఇప్పుడు దేవుడు అందరికి ప్రాంప్ట్నెస్ ఏది లేదు సార్, నాకేం పెట్టలా. ఎందులో పెట్టారు? ఎందులో పెట్టారు? ఒక క్లాస్ తీసారు నాది. సీమెన్స్ లెవెల్ ఏదో పెట్టుకుంటారు. అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మార్చేస్తే బాగుంది. ఇంకా మనకి 5 క్లాసులు కదా, 4 ఒకటి తీసారు అంతే. మీకు 3 మీకు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి క్లాసులు? మీకు 3. అది ఓకే సార్. నాతో అన్నారంటే క్లాసులు 2 పెడతాం, సిలబస్ అయిపోయింది కదా సీమెన్స్ లో పెట్టుకుంటాం. ఓకే అండి అన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు సిలబస్ అయిపోయింది, ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? రివిజన్ చేస్తున్నారా? మరేంటి చేస్తున్నారా? Still very few people have logged in. Very few people have logged in. Why is it so? So, 1 minute. So you can see the syllabus, all of you can see the syllabus I have shared. So first unit we have discussed about the data structures, arrays, time complexity, like that one. Abstract data type, multi-dimensional string operations, like that we have discussed. And in the second chapter, we have discussed the stacks, queues, and infix to postfix. How the stack, what are the applications of stack? That is infix to postfix, arithmetic expressions, conversions, evaluation of postfix expressions, recursion, towers of Moneo, queues, etc. And next we have discussed the queues. So mainly stacks and queues. And the third chapter, linked list. So pointers, linked list, single linked list, double linked lists. And so what my suggestion to all of the people is, for your exam, please omit third unit, because it is very difficult for you to understand the linked list and the operations on the linked list, like that one. So what my suggestion is, you try to prepare 1 and 2, leave 3, and next fourth chapter we have discussed about the trees. And somebody has started me. So, which video? Last 2 units. You can see the dates. The date I have in the June. In the June last 2 weeks, the videos are all related to units 2 only. Unit 2 only. Last 2 units only. So that's the thing here. So see the date wise. Something the videos may not be in a line, but try to see because they have shuffled in some way. So try to what I'm telling is try to see the video by date. So June last June, that is last 2 weeks of June and July first week, there are nothing but the those videos last 2 weeks of June and first week of July. There are the videos covering which one, what one. Those are the videos covering related to unit last 2 units. That is, what are the last 2 units? Searching and sorting and graphs. Okay. What I observed is in the uploaded video of my playlist, some videos are shuffled. That is, they are not placed according to the date. So try to see the date wise. So date wise, then you can get the information what you want. So you can see now. So fourth unit is trees. So we have discussed 3 different types of trees: binary search tree, B tree, tree traversal, like that one. Max heap tree, binary search tree, heap tree. These are the main, very most important. Targeted binary tree, and also insertions. How to do insertions, deletions in related to the trees, like that one we have discussed. Next one is graphs. Graphs also we discussed the different types of traversals in the graph, that is BFS and DFS. Next, what are the minimum cost spanning tree, Kruskal algorithm, Queen's algorithm, shortest path, transfer closure, Alpine shortest path, or Schultz algorithm, like that. So next one. And the final chapter is searching and sorting. So what I suggest is to all of you try to omit 3, that is unit 3, because it's somewhat very difficult for you to understand. Start at unit 1 and unit 2, and next go to unit 6. First try to read these 3 chapters first, because they are somewhat easy. And next, if you are able to further study and you have time, and you have worth, then try to study 4th and 5th. Then also, if some people tell I can go, so I can study all the chapters, sir, tell me like that. Then you go to 3rd chapter. That is, keep the 3rd chapter at the last for your studying. So you can see here. So mainly start with 1, 2, 6. Next go to 4. Next go to 5, and last go to 3rd. If you have more time to study and you have more, if you want to know more things, then you go to unit 3, last one. Okay, so that's the thing here. So from tomorrow onwards, I think we will be having 2 to 3 classes only, because the syllabus the timetable was changed. I think it was posted in the group. So I will be revising the things. Meanwhile, go to your library and, if possible, take the Bal Guruswami and Tiraja books and try to read them. And see, if you go on trying to read all the subjects, all the topics in the syllabus, it may be difficult. So what my suggestion is, go according to the assignment questions which I have given. Go according to the previous question paper which I have shared to you. Previously, I have shared to previous question paper. So try to read according to the question and answer pattern only. At this time, because DS is a new subject to you, it will be very, very difficult to understand. Okay. It will be very, very difficult to understand. So what my suggestion is, try to go and try to analyze and understand question and answer wise. That's why I'm telling, try to answer the assignment questions on your own. Then you will be knowing what is the question and what is the answer. Just by copying the assignment from other person, it is not worth. It is not. It is not. It is not worthy. Okay. So that's my suggestion. I have already uploaded unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. Just I'm preparing unit 5 and 6 syllabus, that is some material. I will be sharing in today and tomorrow, somewhere like that. From tomorrow onwards, I will start the revision. That is revision of 1, 2, 3 chapters like that one. So be ready. And any topic, there is no need to go and see the Balur Swami or Tegaja book also. You can directly search in the net also nowadays, because net is very, very available to all of us. You can just search the net also. So go to bubble sort. If you want a bubble sort algorithm, you can just search bubble sort in Google, and whichever is which is simple and understandable by you, you can write that bubble sort algorithm in your exam. There will be no problem. There is no rule that you have to write the bubble sort algorithm or program from this textbook only, like that one. Any program or algorithm which can be understood very, very easily by you, can be written like that one, written by you, can be written in the answer booklet of your uh, exam. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please chat with me. I will be trying to resolve your doubts in the next 20 to 20 minutes.
ఈ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఇష్యూస్ బాగానే ఉన్నాయి అసలు పెట్టి పాపులేషన్ గ్రోత్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ క్వాలిటీ వాటర్ పొల్యూషన్ ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్ నాయిస్ పొల్యూషన్ డిఫారెస్టేషన్ చాలు కదా
So most of the topics I have covered. There may be little bit gaps. Some one small topics, one or two. I may not be covered. Try to read or Okay. So overall, I have covered, and that's what there is no now. I think most of them cannot come to college also, and they may not have access to textbook also. So try to search in the Google search. All the algorithms are available in the Google, and you can write any of the algorithm. So which is easily understandable. So you can write which is easily understandable. Write the exam which is easily. So if you have any doubt up to the syllabus now which I have covered, you can chat with me. Okay. So 1 minute, 1 minute. I will what I will do is unmute all of you so that if you have any doubt, you can. Uh, So I have given chance now. You can, those who want to speak with me, they can unmute and talk with me also. Very few people are attending, then it will be a big trouble to you. So we have come to the end of the we have end of the same, and many people are not still not having any seriousness. Okay. Those who want to speak with me, those who won't have any doubts, they can unmute themselves and speak with me if you have any doubts. అదేం లేదు చదవను Yeah, you see, start of COVID wave from next month SBI report. Vaccination is proper important. I think most of you have no doubts. Huh? Nobody is complaining that they have been doubts. I think most of you have read the syllabus, completed the syllabus. So I will be ending the session. From tomorrow onwards, I will start the revision. Okay. Try to if you have any doubts, you can call me at any time. Okay. Thank you.